Moving on to section 3, we're now going to look at some systems of equation word problems. In the first one, we're told that the sum of two integers is 36 and their difference is 4. We want to find the integers. Well, I think a good first step would be to define our variables. I'm just going to use x and y, and I'm just going to say that x is my first number and y is my second number. The sum of the two numbers is 36, so that's going to give me the equation x plus y equals 36. Their difference is 4. That just means if I subtract them, I'm going to get 4. So x minus y equals 4. I have two equations with two variables. I get a system, and now I need to solve. I can use any of the methods for solving. Usually we'll go with elimination or substitution. I think here elimination is going to be really easy because the y's will get eliminated right away. Add those two equations together, and we're going to get 2x equals 40. Divide by 2, x equals 20. We now need to find our second number. I'm going to go to my first equation, and I'm going to say 20 plus y equals 36, minus 20 minus 20, y equals 16. So x is 20, y equals 16. However, I don't want to give coordinates here because there weren't really x's and y's in the original problem. I created those variables to stand for my two numbers. For any word problem, I want to answer these in words. For this first one, I'm just going to say that two numbers are 20 and 16. If you want to check it, pretty easy to see that if you add them together, you do get 36, and if you subtract, you get 4. Number 2, I want to find two numbers whose sum is 196 if the larger number exceeds the smaller number by 44. Well, since I'm talking about a larger number and a smaller number, I'm going to say that L stands for my larger number and S stands for my smaller number. The sum of the two numbers is 196, so L plus S equals 196. And now the larger exceeds the smaller by 44. The larger is the bigger one, and it's 44 more than the smaller one. I'm going to write this as L equals S plus 44. The larger number is 44 more than the smaller one. You could have also written it as a subtraction problem, L minus S equals 44. This form just makes a little more sense to me. I think now this system's in a good form to use substitution on. I'm going to take my L equals, I'm going to plug that into my first equation, and I'm going to get S plus 44 plus S equals 196. So 2S plus 44 equals 196 minus 44 minus 44. 2S equals 152. Divide by 2, and S equals 76. L is going to equal 76 plus 44. That'll give me 120. And it looks like my smaller number is 76, my larger number is 120. So I'm going to say the smaller number is 76, and the larger number is 120.